Welcome back everybody to this week's video. We have a piece of ash on the lathe here and we are just marking out for the mortise. And now we're marking out for the foot. Alright, we've got the camera in place, the lathe turned on, and we're going to start by turning it to shape. So the first tool we've got here is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools, and we are just starting off by flattening off the bottom. And then we're gradually going to take off them sides and take it to shape. There we go, right up to that foot. And there you go. Amazing grain. Alright, so now we're going to get to making the mortise. So we've got the mid-size detailer here to start off with. Onto the #1 hollower to clear everything out. The mid-size rougher to flatten everything off. Then we're going to give the foot a nice undercut so it sits on the edges. And back to the detailer so it matches the angles of the jaws in the chop. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so we're just going to do some sanding here with some clean spore abrasives. Going to clean the grain now with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some Hampshire Sheen sanding sealer. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. There is links down below if you'd like to try any of this. You just wipe it all over until you get a clean paper towel. You have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. Here is some Hampshire Sheen high gloss wax. Just wipe it all over, let the solvents evaporate, turn the lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200 and then buff it up after building up that heat. Remember not to push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. And there you go. Alright, so we've moved to the top now. And we're going to start by flattening it off. So we've got the mid-size rougher here. think it was about this point where I decided I was going to dome it towards the outside, so that's what I'm doing right now. Just cleaning up the rim there. Alright, once again we're going to do some more sanding. And there you go. Clean the grain with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. And there is some Midnight Blue from the Hampshire Sheen Intrinsic range. And we're just going to dry it off using a bit of friction there. There you go. Some matte sanding sealer. And some electric blue microcrystalline wax. Just wipe it all over it, let the solvents evaporate and buff it in. There we go. Some more sanding sealer. To lock everything in. Alright, so now we're going to get to doing a bit of hollowing. So we're going to use the #1 hollower to start with. There's the mid-size finisher. Just take out any ridges that might have been left over. And we're going to use the mid-size detailer to add, well, details. There we go. Alright, so we're going to do some more sanding now. Blow it all away with some compressed air. Some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
And some Hampshire Sheen high gloss wax.
We can do what we like. We can do what we like, baby, while we're young.
Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, show it your friends, show it your family, show it your enemies if you like. If you'd like to watch any more of our videos, please click them buttons on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.